channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the Senorita Come With Me TikTok trend, which is pretty new and it's also very popular. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now, let's get started. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you to follow. And now, let's go. Also, there are a lot of versions of this dance, but this is the original and the most popular version. So, let's go. The very first thing we're going to do is circle. So we're going to do a circle with our leg like this. And we're going to do a circle with our hand. And one hand is behind our head. And then we're going to do the same circle, but without our hand doing the circle too. And we're going to go 1, 2. So, it's going to look like this. Circle, come. So after we do this, what we're going to do is step with our right leg to the side and do like a little circle. Then we go back to the other side, 1, and then clap, clap. Okay, so let's do it again from the beginning and we'll move on. Circle, come, step, back, step, clap, clap. Okay, so after this we're going to go 1, 2, so our right elbow goes up, left one down, and our head also goes down twice. 1, 2, and then we're going to do a step forward and same on the other side. 3, 4. From the beginning, it's going to look like this. Circle, come, step, back, step, clap, clap, right, right, left, left. So after we do this, we're going to do a circle with our right arm. Then our left arm is bent in front of us. And then we're going to, with our legs, we're going to go to the left. So 1, 2, and then we're going to go 3, 4. So basically first, our hand is up doing 2 circles. And then our elbow stays in the same place. And we go 1, 2. So 1, 2, 1, 2. It's going to look like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, and then our left hand can be either behind our back or over here. However, it's easier for you. And then we're going to go 1, 2, clap, 1, 2, clap. So let's do it from the beginning very slow so that we remember everything and understand everything. And then we'll move on. Let's go. Circle, come, step, back, step, clap, clap, right, right, left, left, circle, circle, 1, 2, 1, 2, clap, 1, 2, clap. Okay, so after this, we're going to step to the right again, and we're going to do like a circle with our right arm as if it was a side punch. Then we're going to click. So 1, 2, and same to the other side, 3, 4. So again, this step, people do it differently. Like you can do it just like this, you can do it like this. However, it's easier for you, so it's gonna look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Some people straighten their arm, but most do it with their arm bent. So do it however you want. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're gonna go do a circle with our wrist and back. Take it back. 1. So, oh, by the way, instead of 1 circle with our wrist, we can do 2 as well, but it's not that important. We can do 1 or 2. People do it differently. So let's do it from the beginning, and that's it. We're going to do it twice, once slow, once fast, and we have it already, the whole dance. So let's go, because this is actually very fast to learn. Let's go. First, slow. Circle, come, step, back, step, clap, clap. 1, 2, left, left, circle, circle, 1, 2, 1, 2, clap, 1, 2, clap, step, click, up, 2, 3, 4, circle, back. That's it. Now we're going to do the same thing, but fast. Circle, come, step, back, step, clap, clap, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, clap, 3, and clap, step, click, 1, 2, 3, 4, circle, back. what dances you want me to do next, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!